Today we're making queso fundido, which is kind of like a deconstructed version of a quesadilla. Make this for a crowd. I promise they're going to love it. The first thing we're gonna do is fire roast poblano peppers. First, start by placing them directly over a flame or under a broiler. Turn them with tongs as they char and blister evenly for about 6 to 8 minutes. If you grew up Mexican, you knew your mom was roasting chilies in the kitchen because you would start coughing even if you were on the other side of the house. So make sure you're flipping them so the whole chili is dark and toasted. Once they're dark and roasted, transfer the peppers to a bowl and cover tightly with plastic wrap. Let them steam for about 10 minutes or until soft. This will help loosen that thick, waxy skin. Using a knife, scrape the sides of the peppers to remove the charred skin. Don't worry, you'll still get that rich, smoky flavor even without the skin. And that's it. Now we're gonna cook our chorizo. I personally love using pork chorizo, but you can use beef, or you can make this dish vegetarian and use soy chorizo. And you don't need to add oil to the pan because chorizo has plenty of fat in it. You're gonna see later how much oil this is gonna release. And you wanna cook this until it's crispy and brown. Whenever you make chorizo, don't make the mistake I did today and wear white. Just saying. The chorizo is ready when it starts to crumble and it begins to get crispy. And now it is time to add our veggies. Here is our chopped poblano peppers, onions, and some garlic. That smells good. And we're gonna cook this down until the onions are translucent. But it smells amazing in here. We're gonna remove about a scoop of the chorizo because we're gonna use this as a topping later. So you see how there's a little bit of chorizo stuck at the bottom? All of that is gonna give us so much flavor. So we're gonna deglaze with mezcal. About a shot's worth, maybe? It's a big shot, but that's okay. Make sure to get all those brown bits. Turn the heat off. And add our Mexican quesos. We're using Chihuahua and Oaxaca. We want to have a mix of both in every bite, so we're going to layer and add Oaxaca, then another layer of Chihuahua. The name of the cheeses, Chihuahua and Oaxaca, are the names of the states in Mexico where these cheeses originated from. The reserved chorizo, we're going to add it to the top right here. I like to put it in the middle just because when everything melts down, it kind of looks really nice. And that's the way I grew up eating it, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this and put it in the oven. You're gonna bake until the cheese gets melty, and then you're gonna broil it for a few minutes so it gets bubbly and golden brown. This is done, guys. It looks amazing. It's golden and crispy. There's some chorizo, and we have a little bit of cilantro. Make it look pretty. I'm super excited to try this. We've got some flour tortillas. They're warm, so they're ready to be eaten. This is hot, and I'm gonna try to get a really nice cheese pull. So I'm gonna put in my tortilla in the middle. Just go for it. Ooh. Yep. Put that back in and go. Guys, I've never had queso fundido with poblano peppers. Game changer. This is so good. This is recipe 4 of Cheese 100 Ways. Let us know if you make it and what other cheese recipes you want to see next. Bye!